This video is about using segment addition to solve for a missing value. So in segment addition, all we're doing here is that we are adding part plus part equals the whole segment. So if B is between AC, then AB plus BC equals AC. So for example, if AB had a length of 5 and BC had a length of 7, when we add those together, we would get a total length of 12. So we want to use segment addition to solve the following problem. So number one, we want to solve for x and then find AB. So in this case, we know that we have two parts that together make AC, so we're going to add them together. So we would have x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 20. So we're going to combine like terms. We get 3x plus 8 equals 20. We can subtract 8 from both sides, so 3x is equal to 12. When we divide, x is 4. Now remember, we're not done yet because we solved for x, but we also need the length of AB. So in order to find the length of AB, we are going to substitute 4 in for x. So AB is equal to 4 plus 3, which would get us 7. In number 2, we want to solve for x and find BC. So again, we have two parts that equal our whole length. So our two parts are 14 and 7x plus 14. They're going to equal the whole length of 11x minus 4. So when we combine like terms, 7x plus 28 is equal to 11x minus 4. We need to get the variable on one side, so we can subtract 7x. 28 is equal to 4x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, 32 equals 4x, so when we divide, x is 8. So again, we're not done because we also need to find BC, so we're going to put 8 in for x. So we would have 7 times 8 plus 14. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 14, which gets us 70. In number 3, solve for G and then find AB. So we would have our two parts again that would equal the whole length. So 6G plus 14 plus 4G is equal to 74. So we get 10G plus 14 equals 74. We can subtract 14 from both sides. 10G equals 60. When we divide by 10, G is 6. Then we need to find the length of AB, which is currently 6G plus 14. So when we substitute the G value in, we have 6 times 6 plus 14, 36 plus 14, which gets us 50. In number 4, solve for W and then find RS. So we have our two parts again. So we have 9 plus W squared minus 43 equals 7W minus 4. When we combine like terms, we have W squared minus 34 is equal to 7W minus 4. Because there's a W squared, this is going to be a factoring problem, so we want to move everything to the W squared side. So we have W squared minus 7W minus 30 equals 0. So we need two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add to negative 7. So we have W minus 10 and W plus 3. When we solve, we switch our signs. So W is 10 and W is negative 3. Now, even though we got two values, we need to look and make sure that they would make positive lengths. So if I have 10 squared minus 43, I would get a positive number, and 7 times 10 minus 4 would give us a positive number. So 10 stays. When I do negative 3, 7 times negative 3 minus 4 is going to be a negative number, and I can't have a negative length, so we're going to cross out that solution. So W is only going to equal 10, and then we need to find RS. So RS is going to equal 10 squared minus 43. So 100 minus 43, which is 47.